In today's video, I am going to teach you how to general post in Hootsuite. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to create a general post, add a caption, attach your media, and publish it right away or schedule it for later. First, open Hootsuite and look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see a button that says plus, along with the option to create something new. Click the plus Create a Post option. This is the starting point, because it takes you from your dashboard into the posting screen, where you can choose where the post will go and what it will include. Next, once the post creation window opens, you will want to select your connected social accounts. Find the drop-down menu for social accounts and then choose the account or accounts you want to post to. If you have multiple platforms connected, this step is important because it controls where your post will appear. Take a moment to confirm you have selected the correct destinations before you write anything, so you do not have to go back and change it later. After you have selected your accounts, you can move on to the caption. In the content area, locate the text field where you can type your caption. Type the caption text that you want your audience to see. Keep your message clear and aligned with what you are sharing, and consider including any key details or hashtags you want included. This is also the time to double-check spelling and formatting, since a caption is often the most visible part of a post. Now that your caption is written, you can add your media assets. Look for the section labeled Content or Attachments, where you can attach images, videos, or other media files. Upload the files you want to use for the post. If your platform supports different types of media, make sure your media matches what you intend to share. Adding media at this stage ensures that the post is complete, and it also helps you review the final look before you publish. Once your caption and media are in place, review everything one more time. Confirm that the right social accounts are selected, confirm that the caption text reads the way you want, and confirm that the media has uploaded successfully. This quick check prevents common issues, like posting to the wrong account or forgetting an attachment. When you are ready to publish, find the button at the bottom of the screen that says Post Now. If you want the post to go live immediately, click Post Now. Depending on your social networks and your settings, Hootsuite will send the post for publishing, and you should see it move through the posting process. If you instead want the post to go out at a specific time, choose Schedule instead of Post Now. Selecting Schedule allows you to pick a date and time for when the post should publish. This is useful if you want your content to align with a campaign schedule, a specific audience time zone, or a planned posting calendar. After you select Schedule, confirm the date and time you chose, and then proceed with the scheduling option shown on the screen. Finally, after the post is either sent or scheduled, you can close out this window or continue creating additional posts, depending on how your workspace is set up. The key point is that you have completed the full flow, selecting accounts, writing the caption, attaching media, and choosing whether to publish immediately or schedule for later. And that covers everything you need to know. That is all there is to it.